Hello guys, welcome to another video from Shashi. Today we are going to take a look at one of the cheapest smartwatches in the world. It costs around 750 rupees or $10 US. I'm Abram from Shashi. Let's unbox it.
The box contains a 380 mAh battery, a micro USB cable, and the watch itself. The watch has a micro SD and a SIM card slot.
So let's turn on the watch.
It has many different interchangeable watch faces. And if you insert a SIM card, you can make calls and send messages. The watch has many other functions like anti-theft, sleep tracking, and pedometer. The watch also has a camera and a decent microphone. The links to where you can buy this watch are in the description.
I'll be giving away this smartwatch to a lucky one of you guys. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to this channel, go follow me on Instagram, and comment your Instagram username down in the comments below. I'll be picking a winner on the 13th of November. That's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching.